In the beginning, there was darkness, a silent void, where all potentialities coexisted in a state of absolute repose. The zero. It is not a void of lack, it is a void of plenitude. It is the state of absolute peace. Without space, without time. It is what science today defines as the state of quantum superposition, where the particle inhabits all possible destinies simultaneously, remaining invisible and at peace until it is invoked. The sages of antiquity called it in potentia and described it as the cosmic egg containing chaos. Not as disorder, but as undifferentiated fullness, the field where information could expand. A promise of all creation, awaiting fertilization by the light of emotion. This emotional light, yet unmanifested, which the SHU defines as Eros Zero, is the impulse that will awaken the profound will to exist, and to give body to form, the first vibration, transforming infinite possibility into concrete reality. From the center of this cosmic egg, from chaos, pulses an emotion. The necessary sacred fertilizer, a tiny point of white light, containing all colors and emotions. Becoming Eros. The subtle energy that permeates and connects everything, like an ocean of infinite possibilities. Eros pulsed once more, like a heartbeat, now as a desire for form, for expression, and difference, uniting with and fertilizing chaos. From the touch between the fertilizing emotion and the chaos contained within the cosmic egg, the first mirror was born. Imagination. In an instant that occupied no time at all, for the first time, the Absolute dreamed it could be other. It is not a matter of mere fantasy, but of the first where and the first who. The sacred space in which Eros contemplates and recognizes itself. Imagination generates field images, sketches of worlds in latency. It reflects the inner warmth and transmutes sensation into figure, the primordial emotion into multiple manifestations. Here, desire and repulsion act as guides. The first multi-dimensional map that allows potency to recognize its own face. In myth, imagination is a lagoon that reflects the inner sun. In its waters emerge outlines, shadows, and promises. It is through it that Eros, the One, awakens to possibility, and that creation rehearses its first forms. Within the mirror of imagination, the first distinction emerged. Information. The primordial pattern, the this and not that. Information is the geometry that enables metrics. The mathematics that confers density to form. Where once an indistinct glow pulsed, now emerges the knot, the code, the repetition. Information organizes vibration into structure. It is the body that the emotional soul animates. Information is the web woven from threads of light, anchoring points that retain memory, and paths that orient the flow. Each knot is a signal, each pattern, a nascent law. With emotion, imagination, and information in play, the entire field transmuted into an ocean of possibilities. It is not a matter of random disorder, but of an undifferentiated plenitude where patterns compete and are selected. Micro-emotions and informational codes enter into a dance. Some patterns crystallize into structure, while others dissolve back into flux. From this primordial unity, a luminous abyss where currents of light and shadow intersect, the web gains complexity and affinity manifests. It is then that plenitude becomes unsustainable within a single point. The vibration, hitherto undifferentiated, demanded the mirror of distance so that it could, finally, see itself.